In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link as view-only in PowerPoint. Sharing your PowerPoint presentation as a view-only link is a great way to keep your content secure while allowing others to see your work. Whether you're collaborating with a group or simply sharing information, this method ensures your file remains unchanged. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your internet browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. They all work fine. Once you've got your browser open, head over to your preferred search engine and type in Microsoft PowerPoint. This will take you to the official Microsoft PowerPoint login page. Once you're on the main page, you'll see an option to log in. Here, enter your Microsoft account credentials to access your documents. Now, if you don't have an account, you would need to create one, but for our purposes, I'm assuming you already have that set up. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Microsoft PowerPoint. Browse through your files and choose the presentation you wish to share as view-only. Click on that file to open it up in the PowerPoint web app. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the PowerPoint window. You'll see a Share button. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a Send Link dialog box. It's like your command center for sharing your presentation. Next, look for a drop-down menu in this dialog box. By default, it might state something like, "Anyone with the link can edit." This is where we're going to make a crucial change. Click on that drop-down menu. You'll notice an option there labeled Allow Editing. Go ahead and uncheck this box. This setting is key because it switches the permissions, turning your link from an editable one to view-only access. Don't forget to click Apply to save this change. Applying these settings ensures that the link you share restricts others from making any modifications to your original file. Once that's set, you'll see a button labeled Copy. Click on this, and it will generate a shareable link for you and automatically copy it to your clipboard. With the link now copied, you're ready to share it. Paste this link into the body of an email, a message, or any other platform you're using. This copied link will allow only view access to the recipients, meaning they can admire and analyze your presentation, but they won't be able to alter any of your content. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a secure, view-only link in PowerPoint. Keep this process in mind anytime you want to protect your presentation while still sharing it with others. Thank you for following along, and happy sharing.